If your iPhone 17 has been running slower than usual, or some apps just don't feel as smooth as before, a quick software update might be all you need. Keeping your iPhone software up to date is one of the easiest ways to boost performance, improve battery life, and fix bugs you might not even notice yet. The iPhone 17 series ships with iOS 26 by default, but Apple frequently rolls out new updates that enhance system stability, add features, and patch security vulnerabilities. If you haven't checked for an update lately, now is a great time to do it. Before you start, here's a quick but important reminder. Make sure your data is safe. Back up your iPhone using iCloud or Finder on a Mac. That way, even if something unexpected happens during the update, all your photos, messages, and files remain secure. Next, connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network and keep it plugged in to avoid interruptions. Once ready, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General, then tap Software Update. Your iPhone will begin checking for available updates. This can take a little while, so be patient. If a new iOS version appears, tap Download and Install, then enter your passcode when prompted. After that, follow the on-screen steps to agree to Apple's terms and conditions. The update will begin downloading. Depending on your connection, this can take several minutes. And once it's ready, your iPhone will automatically restart to complete installation. Just keep it plugged in and let the process finish. After your iPhone reboots, you'll be running the newest version of iOS 26. To confirm, go back to Settings, tap General, tap About, and check the software version. Or head to Software Update again. If it says iPhone is up to date, you're good to go. Once you've updated, take a few minutes to do some quick post-update checks. This includes updating all your apps in the App Store so they can take advantage of the latest system improvements. You can also free up space by deleting unused files or photos. This helps iOS 26 run even smoother. Updating regularly doesn't just keep your iPhone secure, it also ensures you're getting the best features, battery optimizations, and overall performance Apple has to offer. And that's it. If this guide helped you update your iPhone 17 successfully, please give it a like, and watch our next video to learn more hidden iOS 26 tips that can make your iPhone even faster. Thanks for watching.